Hi and welcome to the new video. In this video, we're going to make an optical illusion spiral design in Adobe Illustrator. So we'll learn that how we can make it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I have some samples of these colors. So we'll use these colors in our spiral design. First of all, we need to select the circle. You can select it from here, or either you can click on the key L. It's the shortcut key. By pressing Alt and Shift, you can make a small circle like that. After that, you need to make a copy of this circle and you need to drag it by holding Alt and Shift like that. You need to adjust it like that. Now you need to make 3 more duplicates by pressing Ctrl and D. Select all of these circles. You need to select the shape builder tool by pressing Shift and M. And now you need to adjust it as it is like I am doing it. Adjust all the circles like that. And you need to delete this part like this. After that, you need to colorize it. I will be selecting the color picker by pressing the I key like that. Now you need to select all and pick all the colors. Like that. Group all of these shapes. Now I will be selecting the rulers and making the guides by pressing Ctrl and R. Let's adjust the guide. It's already adjusted. So by selecting the shape, we'll select the R key for the rotate tool. And in the center of these guides, we'll click it. And by pressing Alt and Shift, we'll make a copy of it. And then we will duplicate it 2 times by pressing Ctrl and D. Like that. We'll delete the guides and hide the rulers. Now we will group it by Ctrl and G. Make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl C and paste it in front by pressing Ctrl and S. Rotate it like that. Now make another copy of this and paste it in front. Adjust it like that. Make another copy of it and paste it in front and adjust it like that. Now we will be selecting all of these shapes and group it by Ctrl and G. After that, we will adjust the size of these shapes. And now we will click on Effect, Distort and Transform. After that, click on Transform. We'll make it approximately 77 and maybe 75 and also 75 vertical. We'll change the angle a little bit and we'll be making the copies of it. And click on OK. That's how you can make an optical illusion spiral design. When you will be zoom it in, you can see that it's an optical illusion spiral design. It's a spiral. You can see it. So that is it for today. I hope you will be learning a lot from my video. So if you have learned, so I'll suggest you to kindly like the video and subscribe the channel and support me. Thank you so much. Have a very lovely day. Thank you. Bye.